Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the price actually started off all the way down there, but then ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here. What is that? 0.023. Why is 0.023 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.023. If the price were to come down to that level and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, maybe the price comes down here because no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 0.023. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep a close eye on that purple line there, the famous 50-period moving average. You can see it presented some problems earlier on in the day. And then that's essentially right where the price is at. So the big question going forward now is, hey, are the bulls going to be able to get the breakout through this trend line? Through the moving average, which is a very valid question now, given that the price is sitting literally right at that level. But all in all, great bounce today. Now going into next week, it's just a question of can the price build upon this bounce? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.